Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping the device. Make sure battery is adequate and you can unlock the phone. This avoids interruptions. Next, open Settings and go straight to About Phone. Tap build number 7 times to reveal developer options. You may need to enter your PIN. Once done, return to the main settings list where a new developer options entry appears. This step grants access to advanced controls needed for USB debugging. Keep the phone unlocked so the next steps flow without authentication delays. Now, open Settings and locate developer options. On Realme, this may be under System or Additional Settings depending on UI version. Toggle developer options on to expose the debugging toggle. You'll see many settings, so proceed only to USB debugging. Tap the USB debugging switch. The system will show a prompt explaining risks and permissions. Read it, because this grants access to data transfer and debugging commands. Make sure you understand why you enable it, and keep the phone secure while connected. Finally, confirm USB debugging by tapping Allow on the confirmation dialog. Connect your Realme to the computer using a quality USB cable and select File Transfer or MIDI mode if prompted. Debugging often requires one of these modes. On first connection, your computer will request RSA authorization. Check the fingerprint and tap Always Allow if it's your trusted machine. If the PC doesn't detect the device, retry with another cable or USB port, update drivers, and reauthorize. That single troubleshooting step fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.